Okay, so I'm going to stop you right there.
Yeah.
What this says to do here, this is nothing that you're doing right now.
Oh, it's the final.
Oh, that's the that's after the splices.
So yeah, so you're working right here.
Okay.
There you go.
Pick another strand.
Of course. Would you rather have another one?
Just any random one, yeah?
Very fast.
Okay. I'll cut. So I'm just gonna go through it. U U A U U.
Okay, so remember you start from left to right.
Yeah.
So just make sure you're doing right. Good job.
Look at this,
There.
and then we have to pair them.
And then another one
What pairs
there.
with A? With T.
So just cut out both. Do you want to go with tape?
There's plenty of room over here, ladies, if you want to move around.
All right, I got
Go
it.
get tape.
Yeah, and you might want to check it, Tim, for him just to be sure.
Yeah.
But it's always a good
Pair
idea.
them. So we write A, T, right?
Well, you, but yeah.
Oh, right. Do you want me to do it for you?
Okay. Going to transcribe it. So T
What are these? Are these amino acids?
Oh no. Oh
And
wait.
you need to ignore these people
Okay.
together. You're okay, sweetheart. Just slow down. You're all good.
A. Yeah, I'll do one on top.
Okay, you got Nico?
What?
Nothing.
Oh my.
What?
Nothing.
We're here, we play
It's perfectly fine.
Do you need anything else? Okay. Just checking it.
Okay. There. Cool. And yeah, we double.
And you can put this back in where the introns go. Yeah, just to keep it easier.
So then we go.
So think about where DNA always goes. Always where DNA stays. In the nucleus, you're right. So it stays here. Yeah, that's exactly right. Okay. Remember the thing that I figured out for my own self, that the introns stay in the nucleus. So that's going to be whenever you see that intron, it stays in the nucleus. The exons are going to be, yeah. Got it. So it's weird though, because you're cutting out the introns. Someone needs to change their language. I think that should be our job. We'll just redo all the biology. Yeah. It's very good. Good job.
No, you want
That's smart too. That's exactly what I would do. Hang on, make sure there's 4, right? 3 in a row, not 4.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Just if you want a pen, you can use a pen. There you go. And don't worry if you did do it wrong. That's why we have 2 days. You're not.
Is each one of these a different test?
Yeah, so you're going to do it 4 different times. So you use 4 different keys. So right now you're just working on the first one.
Yeah, so I'm DNA.
Perfect. So you're just going to take them together. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Good job. Now, do yourself a favor, Nico.
Oh yes.
Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. Good job.
What am I now?
Thanks, Nico. You guys are well-oiled machines. She's ready. Justine, how are you, sweetheart?
Pretty good.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you something where we talked about.
No, just take mine.
In DNA, these are our 4 bases, A, T, C, and G. So my question is, are they the same exact bases in RNA?
No, because don't you replace them with a U?
Yeah, yeah. So every time you see a T, you need to have a U instead, right? So you started doing that here, and then I see some other stuff over there.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So just check that again. And so every time you'd wind up with a T over here, it needs to be turned into a
U?
Yeah, you started doing it right, and then you just changed it.
Oops.
So you did it right here. A with U. Yeah, and then
Okay.
here.
I
you
guess
just
I
changed. Yeah, you just it makes sense.
All right. Thank you. For the stop codon, what?
So let's talk about that. Bring your chart over and let's check that out together. Okay?
Yeah. C, G, C, G. That's
Yeah, the exons get spliced together,
C, G, G, C,
and out they go.
So replace that U with a C,
Okay?
and then
Yeah.
UU.
Like I say, this takes a little bit. It seems to be helping today,
Okay,
So let's talk about what this says compared to what this says. So here it says final amino acid sequence, right? So
Yeah.
you need the amino acids.
Yeah.
And all of these have, oh,
Alright,
thank
now
you.
I take
All of these have amino acids attached to them, except for a few, right? The start codon has methionine. But when you get to the stop codon, do you see anything with ene nearby?
No.
No. So that means there is no amino acid. That's how the whole thing knows to detach.
Yeah.
And if you can vaguely remember the video that I showed you, that's when it disassembles. When something comes in without an amino acid, there's
the yellow one.
yeah, there's nothing to attach to.
Okay,
The whole
so we
thing
just
floats
ignore that
away.
for writing this
Yeah,
part.
so when you have a stop codon that serves a purpose, but it doesn't translate to anything here.
Okay. Okay.
Exactly right. Good job.
Okay. Would this be taped to the end or to the chain?
So remember, it matters where you cut it from. So I'm not laughing for any of the reasons that happen every year, right? So you might want to decide to check it out. Well, and it's even 5 minutes, okay? Or you can take a look at your original, whatever, yeah. So you might want to check it for yourself. You may not remember, you might not need
I
it.
had
Oh, no, that's
UU, AA, UU, but then after I cut out the second
This definitely gives you an appreciation for what's actually happening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
then
You
UUA.
need to make t-shirts that say biology.
No, you wrote it correctly.
I know you listened to it, so stick with it and I'll check you in tomorrow, okay?
Should I?
Miss All. Yeah, excuse me. No, go ahead.
There went UUA, second.
I have no idea. Put back set it down and actually track it with a pen. Say right there, smile there. Yeah. I think we did that.
No, you did it last time.
Yeah.
A.
AAUU, very good. This doesn't count. Is that UUAAUU? Look at that out. That's not it. Right? Perfect. Yeah, no, that's why we check it together.
Sorry, just to make sure the blank ones are the stop codon. Are the blank ones?
So bring over your chart and let me help
Okay,
with that,
yeah.
okay? All right. Oh, you already have a chart with you?
Oh, yes, we do.
Okay, perfect. Oh, cool. So, and I'll probably go over this the whole class. I had one other question already, but
Okay.
let's just check this out for a second. Stop codons are bases, right?
Yes.
And over here, it asks you for amino acids. So when you're looking here, I can see why you're asking me, because all of these have lovely amino acids connected with the bases, right? Until you get here. Are there any amino acids attached to those stop codons?
Nope.
No. So guess what? Nothing goes there.
Nothing. Just
Nothing, that's it.
Oh.
That's the end of it. So what I'll probably do tomorrow to help make that make sense for everyone is I'll re-show our little animation where the
Oh, that
little
little yellow.
You all
yeah.
love the color. The yellow, isn't it funny how we remember colors? Isn't that exactly what, I think Andrew said
Yeah,
the same
Andrew said
thing.
the yellow one.
So
The yellow
I'll show it to you
stop,
again.
yeah.
Well, this is, and maybe when you're watching it, be thinking this time, notice that the whole way that this continues is that a bond keeps having to be made between the two amino acids. And if this comes in with nothing to bond to it,
didn't know
the
that
whole
last
thing
time?
just moves out. Right? So does that help?
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
All right. I'll make sure to show that tomorrow for everyone. Yeah.
I said get the tape and you watch all the rest of it.
Yeah, actually, Samaya and Joyce, would you mind sharing what we talked about, and then I'll come over and support, okay? Thank you, guys. And remember, Josh, give someone else a turn doing this too, because I think that you've been up here twice, okay?
No, we kind of messed up.
Hey, trust me, you are among most people did. So that's the purpose of us doing it 4 times. It wasn't just random. So it's funny, it sounds too easy when we say it, but when you have to do it, it gets not so easy. So you're doing great. Okay.
That was completely. Oh, it's yeah.
So, so we have a stop codon like right in the middle of it, which is not right.
It's not right. It might be better just to start over, since it takes such a short period of time. I'm just saying. Sometimes it is. Yeah. No, it's really no stress. This is low stakes, right? No, we haven't mutated. There's going to be no, like fruit fly with a wing coming out.
A-U-G-G.
All right. Is that good?
A-U-G-G-C-G.
Oh, yeah, I know what we did wrong.
Yeah.
Andrew, let me get out of your way. Go ahead.
Oops.
Thank you. And so, how are you doing, sweetheart?
I'm just waiting for that.
Yeah. Are you doing okay with any questions?
Oh,
Anything over here?
no, I've actually been asked, I actually asked that question yesterday because